Hello everyone once again, and I hope you are doing well wherever it is that you are watching me from. I am Omele Àtèlé from Gifted Hands Drum Academy. Today we are introducing you to Omele Àtèlé. In the last video we spoke about Omele Isaaju, and today this is Omele Àtèlé. Like you can see, it is bigger, a bit bigger than the Omele Isaaju that was presented in the last class, and like the Omele Isaaju, you see that everything you find in the Omele Isaaju you find also in this Omele Àtèlé, starting from the Oja to the Osan, then to the Asele, to the Idelu, and then we have the Odo. Also, like I told you, that is the most unique instrument in all the talking drums. So we have the Odo, then we have the Ojuilu, also the two sides of the drum. So we have the Ojuilu too, we have the Egi, and then we have the Organ also. And I would have loved to play it now, but then we are not in the in that phase yet. So for the sake of identification anyway, you've seen the Omele Isaaju, and now this is the Omele Àtèlé. Join me in the next video as we see what comes next after Omele Isaaju and Omele Àtèlé. Thank you very much.